Hey guys, Aaron here for the Love of Tech, and we are looking at this Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. Yeah, there's been two more of these, and this is the third one. Now, this is what I want you to know about this device for me. I have gone to great lengths to make sure I don't know anything about this device. And you're thinking to yourself, Aaron, where are your glasses? Actually, I'm thinking that to myself because I'm looking at myself and I have glasses on. But you're thinking to yourself, Aaron, why did you go to great lengths to not know anything about this device? Well, this is why. Nothing is a surprise. There's leaks everywhere. We know before we're supposed to know. And then we know before we get the device, which we should. But I just kind of wanted it to be a little bit of a surprise. I wanted it to feel new, special, different. I've been doing iPhone everything for so long that I'm really gonna go ahead and consider taking a look at this Z Fold 3 and seeing if I want to go ahead and make it, if it can win the spot of my daily driver. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into it. So Samsung sent us some weird wrapping. So just really quick, I also went ahead and got the super fast wall charger. Now that I'm actually looking at this, this is a 25-watt wall charger. It feels like it's just a charger, but we'll go ahead and look at that later. And then I also got the flip cover with the S Pen, because this thing now has S Pen support. Here is the Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G. Everyone wants us to know that we're on 5G. So this is it, guys. There's no going back. Hello. This is it. Look at this. So let's go ahead and just take a little look-see-loo in the actual box, you know, kind of stay true to the unboxing experience. And it looks like in the box, they gave us a cable, USB-C to USB-C. So I guess thank you there. They gave us a start guide and a SIM ejector tool. Now, if my brain serves me correct, I think this thing was like well over $1,000. I think it was like $1,500 or $1,400. I can't remember exactly, but it was not cheap. And they are going super light on the contents of the packaging. Everyone is kind of following Apple's suit when it comes to that kind of thing. But let's go ahead and let's look at the actual device. Wow. Now, I will tell you, I did look at one in the Buy of the Best, also known the Best Buy. I thought it was cool, but I just, you know, I'm like, okay, I don't want to get too into it because I still want it to be a surprise. Here's, ooh, a certain way. Supposed to unwrap this. All right. You know, it's like when you hold it and you realize like what this is this is the third generation Galaxy Fold, and it feels so sturdy and so heavy. It feels like an impressive piece of technology. Every iPhone pretty much feels the same, and even the Notes and the S's have looked and felt the same forever, but this is just so different and so unique, and it feels so powerful just to open and close. Like, it feels like it's meant to do that, and it is. They built it to do it, so it's good there. So let's just go ahead and power it on, I guess. I'm kind of excited. I'm a little geeking out just the actual device. And I have a Z Fold too, and I don't know why, but this one's kind of exciting. It's turning. All right, so there is the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 unboxed and out of the box. The buttons on this thing, gosh, everything feels so industrial, so powerful. It's crazy. This like binding, like it's like a hardcore book binder, you know, super nice. It does look a little thinner than last year's model. I have mine around here somewhere. I don't know exactly where I put it. Maybe it's charging, but it definitely looks like they are getting closer and closer to making this thing amazing. Just looking at it, and you can see what the whole fuss was about earlier, about if you can right there, see, you can see under the display camera, which is, you know, I can't wait to use it because I've seen some mixed things about it. It doesn't really come out too good, the picture. But here is the Galaxy Z Fold 3 in all of its glory. It is definitely more and more of that screen is being used with every single release. So hopefully we'll see phones with the whole front will be a screen. I don't know if bezels are gonna go away or if they're here to stay forever. There you have it. There is my unboxing and my initial reaction to the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. So I still am gonna be super excited to get in here and set it up and use this as my main device, because I gotta go all in to try to give it its best shot. If I stay kind of over here and over there, you know, I'm never going to get the full experience. So I'm going to do that, and then you can go ahead and look forward to a more thorough review coming out later. Guys, thanks for watching. If you've made it this far into the video, I really appreciate it. If you want, like, comment, subscribe. Don't be a selfish taker. Till next time, get the fuck out of my face. Namaste.